Hi, I am Mike. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Today brings DEWALT the latest impact on drivers. We will test the power, and then the pros and cons of the work. I will tell you together. This is the latest impact driver for 2021. DCF887 improved driver. DEWALT DCF850. They all have 3 gear adjustments. The speed adjustments are 0-1000 and 0-1850 revolutions per minute, respectively. There is also the third gear adjustment, 0-3000 to 150 revolutions per minute. The torque is 27 and 169, respectively, and to 105 N torque. DCF850 biggest change is the appearance change, like the latest batteries, towards compact. However, the battery weight increased by 0.1 kilogram. To 105 N torque tightening screw, no problem. It's easy to meet a lot of work. The appearance is exquisite. The workmanship is exquisite and the shell is stronger. There is also a compact fuselage, although the weight increases 0.1 kilogram. But I think the work feels better. The sound is very strong. DCBP034 have the smallest size, the lightest weight, and leading. Just like the video. To my surprise, 1.7 ampere batteries beat 5.0 ampere batteries. Then the second place is 5 ampere battery. The capacity reaches 5.0 ampere. It will be a beautiful scene. Revolutionary battery. To slow comparison will find that 2.0 ampere battery due to low output power cannot play the performance of driver. 2.0 ampere battery is slower and slower due to continuous high load operation. Compared with Makita, it looks short, but it also looks big. In the corner use, DCF850 will be a little too big and cumbersome, but it can look small and easy in a tight place. DEWALT has great focus in all areas, hoping to solve its shortcomings. It's like dancing, and the screwdriver swings too much. For Concentricity. It's hard to imagine that this is a brand new machine. And DEWALT must correct this shortcoming. Then watch Makita. You'll find that's the kind of concentricity we really need. Good concentricity makes it easier to fasten screws and lower workloads, facilitate future disassembly. As long as suitable for their own work is the best choice. DEWALT can satisfy you. DCF850 at full charge is 20.5 voltage, maximum speed no load power maintained at 140 watts. The maximum load power of 5.0 ampere battery is kept at 400 W. The next video tells you that the DCBP034 latest blade battery is also tested to see if it can outperform the 5.0 ampere battery. Through testing and use, I think DEWALT DCF850 is a very good driver with a more compact body, especially with the latest battery of DCBP034. The work feels great. This innovative battery technology is very good. You will be surprised that if the capacity can be increased, this is the perfect battery. But DCF850 also have shortcomings. Its concentricity needs to be optimized, which will be more perfect. I have to say, DEWALT is really innovative. They are making products more compact and more perfect. Expect more perfect DEWALT tools. If you strive for perfection, you have DCF887. you can still choose to buy DCF850. Although the blade battery discharge rate is high, if compared with DCB205 battery cell, I think the DCB205 battery cell is the winner for future testing. And I can't help but take it apart. In the next episode, we will disassemble the latest DCBP034 battery, check the interior, and compete with DEWALT's latest battery 1.7 ampere and 2.0 ampere and 5 ampere batteries. Test their power and use the data to tell you their work efficiency. See you in the next video. Bye. Merry Christmas to you again.